About 95, 97.
I feel it. Oh, no. You see all these pretty yellow flowers in here? They're everywhere throughout.
We should probably watch your next book.
Hey, we made it 1.25 miles. But we decided to turn back and go a different route now. There we go. Oh, it's so fast. I like how much vegetation is on this one.
Water moccasin was hunting the fish. So that means it's always here.
Oh, there's a lot of dragonflies here. There's one. There's another one. Oh, it's so hot. There's a buck right here too. Oh, the hogs have been rooting around in here. Look at that.
Go out and leave, or do you want to go longer and go that way?
I kind of want to keep going. Do you?
Yeah, I just didn't want to say it.
Okay. So we're going to go to Cypress Pond?
Yes.
Okay. A half on this trail, on Cypress Pond Trail. Let's give it a try. Is that what they're called? Cattails? What the inside of a cattail looks like right there. It's all fuzzy and soft inside. Oh no, don't do it. What do you think that is?
Guess it's choice and soap. You sure you want to film this?
What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a cattail. Yeah. They're so soft. Well, yep, it's underwater.
Yeah, I don't want to walk through that.
Yeah, I don't either. Because there might be snakes in there.
Okay.
We're going to turn back. You sure you don't want to walk through that?
I'm okay.
So we've done
zoned out long ago.
We've done 3.25 miles. So by the time we get back, we'll have done 6.5 miles.
You say so.
I say so. I do. Let's do it.
I don't believe you.
I just added it up. I'm good at math. A little bit. We're almost there. We're almost back to the car. Back to the beginning. Washing the car.